Good morning and welcome to the students of 9B. This is your biology teacher, Mr. D.K. Chetri. Today we'll be starting chapter 1, Cell Basic Unit of Life. So what is cell? Cell is the structural and functioning unit of life. A cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing life functions. That is, it has all the characteristics of living things. Let us go back to the pages of history and let us understand who discovered cell. Alright? So we all know that all living organisms are composed of cells and which are the fundamental unit of structure. The discovery of the cell was made possible through the invention of the microscope. The cell was first discovered and named by English physicist Robert Hooke in 1665. The discovery of cells. Robert Hooke wanted to know why corks float. He looked at cork plant cells and he found that it looked like monk's cell. And he gave the name term cell in 1665 when he looked at a slice of a dried cork. What he did was he made thin slices of the cork over here and likened the body partitions he observed to the cells small rooms in a monastery. However, what Hooke actually saw was the dead cells walls of the plant cells as it appeared under the microscope. The cell walls observed by Hooke gave no indication of the nucleus and other organelles found in most living cells. The next man was the first man to witness a live cell under a microscope was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, who in 1674 described the algae Spirogyra. Van Leeuwenhoek probably also saw bacteria. So let us understand now cell theory. The cell theory or cell doctrine states that all organisms are composed of similar units of organization called cells. The concept was formally articulated in 1839 by Selden and Swan and has remained as the foundation of modern biology. So what are the different theories of cell theory now? The cell theory states that all organisms are composed of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. Alright? It's the basic unit of structure and functional organization in organisms, and all cells arise from pre-existing cells. We have a basic cell structure and function. We know that cell is the fundamental and structural unit of life. A cell consists of three parts. We have the cell membrane, the nucleus, and between the two, the cytoplasm. The function of the cell membrane is to regulate the entry and exit of water molecules. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, and the cytoplasm, the main, is a jelly-like substance that holds all the little organelles that is present inside the cell. So this is all we'll be learning for today. Alright, so we have learned the cell theory. We have also come to know about discoveries of the cell, dead as well as living. Alright, and what a cell is.